We had been told that we should not miss visiting one of the markets in Jerusalem. Our host, in fact, made it sure that we visited one on our very first evening there. There is no better place to immerse yourselves in a foreign country's culture than its markets. Mahane Yehuda Market in Jerusalem was a vibrant destination to visit, as it had foodstuff, crafts, antiques, spices, halwa, or a heady mix of all of the above. The sights, smells and sound overwhelmed our senses when we spent the evening walking around the famous Mahane Yehuda market. We were told that this market of over 250 stalls is the city's beating heart throughout the week, even more so on Friday as locals get ready for the Jewish Shabbat.
The next half an hour or so, kind of walk.
Chavaya. That means an experience.
That's an experience.
Wow, that was and sometimes when you say something really better, it was a chavaya.
We realized that Jerusalem is not only religious sites, but an active, breathing and throbbing, intoxicating city. In many ways, Jerusalem has become a modern Western city, but those visitors wanting a raw whiff of true Middle Eastern life have only to walk 10 minutes from the city center up Agrippa's Street to Mahane Yehuda Market, better known to Jerusalem citizens as the Shuk. Lining its two main aisles, which run between Agrippa and Jaffa, and the complex of similar aisles between them, are dozens of stands, shops, and small restaurants which offer a fantastic array of goods and merchandise, ranging from cleaning supplies to fresh, still wriggling fish. The main attraction is, of course, a great variety of food and especially authentic Middle East delicacies. The smell of the stores selling nuts is unmistakable, and one can find a vast selection of nuts, spices, pastries, dried fruits and candy on display for sale. We actually snacked on the bag of nuts we bought, and some we were offered free as free samples by the shopkeepers to taste. The variety of fresh fruits was enormous, and the fruit sellers knew how to attract customers by shouting out to passers-by. Needless to say that everything for sale in the shuk is kosher. The various deli shops feature massive spread of salatin, known to the rest of the Mediterranean as meze, and heaps of exotic cheeses. One can see a massive variety of olives, hills of spices, smell of fresh ground coffee with cardamom lingering outside the coffee maker's stall. Then there are monolithic blocks of halwa which are offered to the passers-by. We were quick to accept their offers of delicious halwas.
It's a headache. Yeah, I know.
I did not view the market as a tourist trap. Yes, it was a good place for tourists, but it was also a good place for Israelis to shop for food and household needs. As most places in Asia and the Middle East, you have to bargain. You will not be insulting them because this is how they do business. You can shop, eat, people watch. We got all this during our visit to Mahane Yehuda market. We came back to the hotel pretty tired from walking in the noisy hustle and bustle of this colorful market. Believe me, it was worth it, and it was one of the highlights of our sightseeing trips.